This is a 1959 Singer sewing machine. This catalog number is RFJ8-8. This tag says made in Canada. And then along the front of this machine here it says made in Great Britain. So perhaps pieces were made in different countries. I'm not sure. It comes with a foot pedal, original green cords, and the green plastic case. The case is the only part that's plastic. Everything else is metal, cast iron, and metal construction. The light does work. This machine's in working condition, as I'll demonstrate in a few seconds. Quick look at this case. Again, this is a delicate case. It's still in one piece, no cracks. And there's some scuffing of the original plastic. The metal could use cleaning on the clips. The interior is in very good shape for a 55-year-old machine. Let's take a quick look at the other side of this machine. It's quite a heavy machine because it is all metal. It's home use but can still be heavy duty. So through leather, suede, many layers of fabric, silk. It's very clean. The belt's fairly new and tight. Everything works as it should. I'm not a sewer, but I'll do a quick demonstration so you can hear and see the power of this machine. The bobbin is easily accessed through the top. Everything is clean. You can see the pictures for more detail. There is some scuffing and paint loss on this faceplate here for some reason. Probably just due to use. There's a little tiny bit of, I guess, just paint dimpling here on this metal base. And everything else is very clean. Okay, so this is plugged in. Foot pedals also in good condition, complete. I know that you're not supposed to run these without fabric underneath. Okay, there is a needle in there, so I'll just carefully place this here, and you'll see this plow through, oh, it's about 8 or 9 layers, maybe a quarter inch of different fabrics and silk. And you'll see that this machine runs well. I'll go ahead and use my hand to get it purring. And just guide the fabric through here. So as you can see and hopefully hear, I didn't even put the clamp down there, so we'll do that. And just slowly pull it through. Once it gets running. There we go. Pushes the fabric through well. Runs nice and slowly. Push it up and just show you that it does run nice and slow. Alright. So much for that demo. Again, I'm not a good sewer. I just want to get this machine to a person that will appreciate it. Up for auction. Take a quick look at the bottom here. Very clean. Looks like one of the rubber feet has been replaced. And the light is in working condition. I'll pack with care and ensure. Thanks very much for looking. Check out the pictures for more detail. Bye.